how to see or check your Roblox password. So we can go ahead to Roblox and go to your Roblox page, and you want to go to the More section at the bottom right-hand corner. And from here, you want to go to Settings. And from Settings, you want to go to Account Info, and we're going to focus on the login methods here. Now, it's important to know that you can either set up a password or a passkey. So I'm on an iPhone, I have a passkey. Go ahead and hit Manage. As you see, it says passkey, so my account does not actually have a password, but we can go find it and put one in. So we can come out of here, come out of Roblox, and go find your passwords app, and we can go ahead and open this up. I'm just going to go ahead and search for Roblox. As you see, it's up at the top there. And from here, what we can do, as you see, my name, my passkey, but what we can do is actually add a password. So we're going to go to Edit at the top right-hand corner. And from here, as you see, it's a password here. You can go ahead and type in a password and save it. So from that point, you can go back, see this password, change it if you want to, but then also Roblox will have your passkey and your password saved. So that's it. That's how you would go ahead and see your password on Roblox.